How to log into your Abu Dhabi commercial bank online banking accounts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to log into your ADCB online banking account and services from your mobile devices. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's begin. First, you can even download the ADCB app from Play Store or App Store, or even launch any web browser such as Chrome. Tap search bar and type in ADCB. From the result, you need to click on the first link, that is ADCB, which is the official website of Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. Now you will access this section where you need to tap on the login button at top right corner of your screen and choose whether it's for personal banking or business. Now tap on click here to go now. It will take a few time to load. Simply when you land on the login section, you can enter your credit card or debit card number in the provided field. Then tap next button and enter your password to proceed. Then after entering your details, you will access your account. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.